Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate MessageBird application in your agency. So first of all, go to your agency and select Level Up Marketplace from your menu and search for MessageBird application. Click on install and open up pop-up open. So if you want to install the application on all the locations, then you will click the on agency, and if you want to install it on a specific location, then select the location from there. So in my case, I want to install it on the agency for all locations, so I will click on it, and after that I will check both and proceed. So it will install this application on all the locations of this agency. So for configure that application, I will switch the location. So in my case, I will switch on this location. So after that I will go to from the menu to the app configuration section and search here all the application of that location available. Search for the MessageBird and configure. So it asks for the API key. So for API key, first of all, sign up to the MessageBird application. After sign up, you will show this and click on the preference section and email API onboarding. After that, click on create API key. Make the API name and description. After that, create access key. So it will create a API key for you. Copy the API key and paste it there and submit. So this app is configured successfully. Thank you.